بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Assalamu alaikum. Read Al-Quran the easy way. Lesson number 5C on Alif Mad, Ya Mad, and Waw Mad. Let's practice the remaining letters with Alif Mad, Ya Mad, and Waw Mad. So let's start with Ain's twin, Ghayn, which has a dot on top of it. Gha, gha, gha. Ri, 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 ri. Ru, ru, ru. And the next letter, Fe, 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 fe. Fi, 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 fi. Fu, fu, fu. And the next letter, Qaf, qa, qa, qa. Qi, 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 qi. Qu, qu, qu. And the next letter, Kaf, ka, ka, ka. Ki, ki, ki. Ku, ku, ku. And the next letter, Lam, la, la, la. Li, 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 li. Lu, lu, lu. MashaAllah. Awesome. Let's move on. Ma, ma, ma. Mi, mi, mi. Mi, mi, mi. Mu, mu, mu. And the next letter, Noon. Na, na, na. Ni, ni, ni. Ni, ni, ni. Nu, nu, nu. And the next letter, Wow. Wa, wa, wa. We, we, we. We, we. Woo, woo, woo. And the next letter, Ha, 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 ha. He, he, he. He, he. Who, who. And the next letter, Baby Hamza. E, e, e. E, e, e. E, e, e. U, u, u. And the last letter, Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ye, ye, ye. Ye, ye, ye. You, you, you. And the next letter, Hamza. E, e, e. E, e, e. U, u, u. MashaAllah. Awesome. We have come to the end of this lesson. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.